Good morning, retail traders. Today I was reading up on some news and I want to bring up one of my favorite woke stocks, and that's Disney. This is the sneaky snake trading strategy where we study chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. Right now, being in the now, Walt Disney Company has not done so well since they've kind of gone woke. They've been woke for a while, but I mean really exposed themselves to politics. And, I've been in business for over 40 years. There's one thing I don't talk about with my customers. I don't talk about sex, and I don't talk about politics. Somehow Disney got involved in this woke business, and it's done nothing but crash, and me and only a few people have been calling the puts on this stock since the very high. So we're going to go ahead and first I want to pull up the headline that kind of got me interested in trading this stock, or at least getting some interest in trading this stock. Let me see here. Oh, wow. Rupert Murdoch steps down as Fox. That's good news. This one here is probably some of the best news that I got today. Is that Disney CEO Bob Iger says the company will quiet the noise in the culture wars. So they've got involved in politics. They think it's great for men to expose their penis in front of young children. So, I'm not all for that. I don't think you should be manipulating any children. Just let them have a good time in their childhood. So they've got involved in that. And I've been saying it from day one. I said someone needs to come out and quiet the noise on this here culture war crap. So this is a big stance. And it's a catalyst for me to want to get into the trade on a positive note. And, Disney's in a hell of a shape right now. It got involved in politics and more or less told 90% of its customers that they're out of touch. That's my opinion, and that's the way I've been trading it. So we're getting close to a double bottom here on the yearly, or at least we broke below it. I think we are at a spot with that news, and there was some other news that came out. Let me see, there was something else that came out. The Hollywood writers protest strike. So if they resolve that, and if Iger's serious about hushing back on the noise of politically, I don't know what you want to call it. Wokeness. I just don't like it. I mean, I don't care what you do. I don't care who you screw. I mean, if you like ducks and you like a goat, go for it. But don't tell me about it. I don't care what kind of sex you have. I really don't. So that's the two catalysts I think that can bring this stock back up. We've got a double bottom right here. And I think if we broke this resistance, we're going to clean this up so I can kind of chart it out for you. So the resistance that we need to break is going to be this price line right here. If we get above 83.85, that'll be a good thing. Now I'm going to pull up the 3-year weekly. So we're at a 3-year low on the weekly time frame. We'll put a very low support in here too, and I'm going to put it in right about there at 81.56. If we knife on down there, that might be a good spot to jump into this trade. If we break the 9 on the weekly and run up to the 21, I think we can run this back up to to break resistance in a way of right here at around 89 bucks. And if we can break that 89, I think we can get it up to this other support level, resistance level at 91.71. But I'm real confident about this news that it could change investors' attitudes. I'm not a fundamental trader. I know they're in bad trouble. But all they had to do was come out and get out of that politics crap. We're talking about our children, young children. So these are going to be your next resistance levels. We got to break the 83.85, 85.87, long to 89.13, and if that breaks, you can run it up to 91. With the support being held at 81.56. If that holds, that has to hold for this stock to be bullish. I mean, to the penny, 81.56. And that's Disney. So I hope I made my point that I'm starting to become bullish on one of my favorite woke stocks, and that will be Disney. I'm surprised that Pinocchio hasn't come out with a penis on his nose. That'll probably happen sooner or later. And have a great day, retail traders. Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where we talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. Have a great day.